if. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Here are some good advices given by father to his son to become a real successful man. If people around you lose their tempers and blame on you at that time, you should keep your head cool. If someone blames you without rhyme or reason, then you should trust, believe on you, but at the same time, you should find the reason for their blames. If you are waiting for someone, don't get tired by waiting for a long time. If people lie about you, you don't start lying about them. If someone hates you, you don't start hating him and yet do not appear to be perfect or do not show off your knowledge. Then, yours is the earth and everything in it. And more than this, you will be a real man. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn-out tools. If you can dream, it is good to have dreams, but don't allow dreams to be your master and you will be a slave of it. If you get a great success, victory, triumph, and disaster, try to behave these two impostors in the same way as they behave. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken is twisted or made false by wrong people, speaking false of them are the traps to catch you, you should be alert and keep away from such traps. If you can watch the things being broken by natural disaster or by wrong people, you should have the courage to recreate those things again by using worn-out tools. Then yours is the earth and everything in it, and more than this, you will be a real man. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can feel the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you'll be a man, my son. If you can talk with many people and then also keep your good behavior, morals, or if you get a chance to have company with kings, then also you keep good contact with common people. If all people, including friends and enemies, are equal to you, no one is more important than other. If you make good use of every second of life, then yours is the earth and everything in it, and more than this, you will be a real man. These are the advices given by a father to his son to be a good, successful human being. These advices are useful for every student to be a good man in life. Keep this in mind. If. The title of the poem is If. Poet. The poem is by Rudyard Kipling. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the stanzas is A A A A B C B C. Favorite line. My favorite lines from the poem are: If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. Theme. Central idea. The central idea of the poem is that success comes from self-control and true sense of the value of things. In extreme lies danger. A man must not lose heart because of doubts or opposition. Yet, he must do his best to see the grounds for both. Figures of speech. A. Personification. Dreams, masters who can control our lives. In this case, dreams assume human role, quality, that of being the master. B. Repetition. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, the word dream is repeated to make an idea clearer and more memorable. Special features. It has some rhyming, but not in every line. Between lines, it describes how to become a man. It also has much figurative language and can be clear as water. It has 4 stanzas and each one rhymes. Each stanza has a repetition. This keeps the reader engaged and reading. Why I like or dislike the poem. I like the poem because it awakens a variety of feelings within me, such as inspiration and the feelings of happiness. It gives me positive attitude of never giving up and working hard.